leaks as the Sony FX3 II has exploded across the filmmaking community, with cinematographers, indie creators, professional videographers, commercial shooters, and even tech-focused YouTubers eagerly tracking every rumor and insider report, because this upcoming model seems set to redefine the entire compact cinema camera landscape in ways that go beyond simple generational upgrades, promising a more refined workflow, improved dynamic range, higher-end recording formats, and an overall leap forward for creators working across YouTube content production, documentary filmmaking, commercial advertising, vertical video, travel videography, low-budget cinema, music video production, and hybrid production environments where mobility and pro-grade results must coexist seamlessly, and with speculation pointing to a release window near the end of 2025. The buzz is only intensifying as credible regulatory listings, engineering leaks, and industry chatter suggest Sony is engineering this camera as a true successor to the original FX3, one that fixes its shortcomings, pushes image quality into a new class, enhances autofocus intelligence with next-level AI, strengthens the build quality for extreme environments, and integrates professional tools that previously demanded external accessories, ultimately positioning the FX3 II as a cinematic powerhouse optimized for hybrid storytelling, real-world filmmaking challenges, and evolving creator workflows across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Netflix-style indie productions, and fast-moving digital media studios. While the original FX3 earned its reputation for excellent low-light performance, compact design, strong handheld usability, and an accessory-friendly cage-free build, it was still missing several high-end features that advanced creators repeatedly requested, such as internal RAW recording, open gate support, refined cooling, expanded monitoring tools, improved ergonomics, more professional-grade audio workflows, and deeper LUT integration. And these exact shortcomings now appear to be the primary focus of Sony's redesign philosophy for the FX3 II, which insiders say aims to deliver a significantly more mature and cinema-oriented machine that still maintains portability but offers far more depth and power for demanding productions. Rumors indicate the FX3 II may feature enhanced weather sealing and a denser chassis with strengthened mounting points, making it far more durable for outdoor filmmaking, travel content, and long-form documentary work in challenging climates. The ergonomics are also expected to receive thoughtful refinements, with smoother button placement, redesigned tactile controls, an improved grip profile, and a more intuitive layout engineered for shooters who operate for hours at a time, whether they're capturing cinematic B-roll, handheld dialogue scenes, sports documentaries, wedding films, or high-end YouTube product reviews where comfort and efficiency matter. One of the most notable reported upgrades is a brand new cooling system, possibly quieter, more efficient, or even a hybrid passive-active cooling design, to eliminate the subtle fan noise of the FX3 that often interfered with interviews, podcasts, intimate narrative scenes, or ASMR-style recordings. If Sony truly implements a dramatically quieter or nearly silent cooling solution, the FX3 II could become a favorite for documentary shooters, interview-heavy productions, and creators who record clean on-camera audio without wanting to rely on heavy external setups. Another major design enhancement may come through a re-engineered fully articulating LCD screen borrowed from Sony's premium Alpha series, offering broader rotation angles, stronger brightness levels, better daylight visibility, and improved cable clearance for rigs that use external monitors, cables, mics, HDMI cords, or cages. This would dramatically improve usability for vloggers, solo filmmakers, travel creators, vertical shooters, gimbal operators, and run-and-gun videographers who rely on flexible monitoring in unpredictable angles and fast-changing environments. Perhaps the single most transformative rumored upgrade is the introduction of built-in electronic ND filters, an iconic cinema camera feature that eliminates the need for external variable ND filters, saving time, reducing lens clutter, speeding up exposure changes, and enabling creators to maintain perfect shutter speeds and shallow depth of field looks even in harsh daylight. who need fast, precise exposure control. Internal ND could be a workflow-changing addition that finally bridges the gap between compact bodies and full-size cinema cameras. On the imaging side, the FX3 II is expected to move from the FX3's 12.1 megapixel sensor to a new 6K capable sensor, delivering higher resolution, improved detail, better color accuracy, and more flexible downsampling pipelines for 4K delivery, making it an ideal tool for cinematic storytelling, tech reviews, fitness content, real estate videography, product showcases, corporate video, and artistic short films. Some leaks go even further, claiming Sony may implement global shutter technology or near global shutter readout speeds to eliminate rolling shutter artifacts during fast handheld movement, action scenes, drone-mounted shots, gimbal runs, dance videos, sports filmmaking, or fast-paced B-roll. Even if a full global shutter doesn't appear, significantly faster readout and higher frame rate options seem extremely likely, giving creators better slow-motion capabilities, cleaner motion rendering, and fewer distortions when capturing kinetic, movement-heavy footage. Autofocus is another area expected to receive major improvements, with Sony potentially adapting the most advanced AI autofocus systems found in its flagship models, bringing enhanced face tracking, eye tracking, subject recognition algorithms, animal tracking, vehicle tracking, and more adaptive real-time AF behaviors tailored for documentary unpredictability, event shooting, handheld storytelling, and dynamic YouTube content where a single operator must rely entirely on the camera to maintain consistent, accurate focus. And then come the two most anticipated features, open gate recording and internal RAW capture. With creators increasingly shooting for multiple platforms, YouTube 16:9, TikTok 9:16, Instagram 1:1, anamorphic widescreen, 2:1 storytelling, and cinematic 2:39:1, open gate becomes a workflow superpower, letting filmmakers pull multiple aspect ratios from a single take. Internal RAW, meanwhile, would eliminate the need for external recorders, making the camera far more portable, efficient, and production-ready right out of the box, while also providing maximum color grading flexibility for indie film colorists, video editors, and post-production teams working in DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro. Additional enhancements may include advanced 32-bit float audio using Sony's XLR top module, built-in false color exposure tools, waveform monitoring, improved focus assists, expanded LUT import capabilities, enhanced S-Cinetone tuning, and pre-calibrated cinematic LUTs optimized for S-Log3 workflows, making the FX3 II not just a creative tool but a full-fledged professional workflow machine. With all these rumored refinements, the Sony FX3 II is shaping up not as a small update but as a complete evolution of the compact cinema line, redefining what a lightweight camera can deliver for professionals who demand uncompromising image quality, high-end codecs, versatile framing options, quiet cooling, modular flexibility, and AI-powered performance in a body that can be used on gimbals, drones, travel rigs, handheld setups, car rigs, and small studio environments. Whether you're a documentary filmmaker capturing emotional human stories, a YouTube creator producing high-quality review content, a wedding filmmaker needing reliable autofocus and beautiful low-light performance, or a commercial shooter delivering polished cinematic projects, the FX3 II appears poised to meet, and possibly exceed, the demands of modern content creation. If Sony truly executes all of these rumored features, the FX3 II could become one of the most influential cameras of the decade, pushing forward the boundaries of compact cinema tech, shaping the future of multi-platform filmmaking, and reinforcing Sony's dominance in the evolving world of content creation.